Welcome! So far we have defined decision making, explored different decision types, and now we'll dive into why mastering effective decision making offers significant advantages in your personal and professional life. Benefits of effective decision making. The first benefit we have is achieving goals. Well-considered decisions create greater alignment between your actions and your desired outcomes. Whether your goal is a business target, a personal milestone, or solving a community problem, strong decision-making increases the likelihood of your success. Enhanced problem solving. Effective decision-making means identifying core issues within a problem, analyzing the root causes, and then generating and evaluating solutions systematically. This leads to more creative and enduring resolutions. Optimized resources. Time, money, energy, and talent are all precious resources. Good decisions help you use these wisely in order to avoid waste, reduce costs, and maximize your potential impact. Boosted confidence and leadership. Consistently making sound choices builds trust in your own judgment and earns the trust of others as well. This confidence strengthens your self-image and enhances your ability to lead in various contexts. Reduced stress and regret. We have all experienced the regret of a hasty or poorly considered decision. Effective decision-making minimizes second-guessing and the stress caused by feeling uncertain or overwhelmed. We do have the wider impact, which is the benefits don't stop at the individual level. Rather, effective decision-making is also essential for multiple reasons, such as the strong organizations. Businesses, nonprofits, and government institutions all rely on good decision-making to navigate the challenges and opportunities. Innovative solutions. Effective decision-making encourages calculated risk-taking and drives innovation necessary for breakthroughs. Thriving communities. Well-informed decisions at every level of society, from individuals to leaders, contribute to a more productive and equitable world. The cost of poor decisions. On the flip side, poor decision-making can lead to missed opportunities. Failing to act decisively or making choices out of fear often results in missing out on valuable growth experiences. Wasted resources. Time, money, and other resources get squandered due to ill-conceived plans and impulsive actions. Damaged relationships. Damaged relationships decisions made without considering stakeholders can erode trust and collaboration. Decreased morale. Inconsistent or unfair decision-making processes can harm team spirit and motivation. Wrapping up, effective decision-making is undoubtedly a superpower. It impacts goal achievement, problem solving, resource management, personal growth, and has ripple effects throughout organizations and communities. Next time, the decision-making process. In our next lesson, we'll begin breaking down the decision-making process into a structured framework, empowering you to approach choices with clarity and purpose. Until then, good luck and thank you.